Hello. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, another unboxing video on the Cytosmart Lux 2 microscope. If you don't know about it, this is a live cell imaging microscope. So it comes in two boxes: a cube one, which holds the actual Lux 2, and an optional laptop. Let me show you what's in the boxes. I'm gonna put this aside for now, and let's check out the laptop at first. Okay, so this is the laptop. Let's get this out. This is the laptop. And the power cables. Let me plug it in first. I'm also going to do a walkthrough and a small review after the unboxing. This is the laptop. And this is the actual microscope. Okay, let's see what we have here in the box. First of all, a quick start guide, an instruction manual, this is the microscope. With the USB cable that you're going to plug in your laptop. So yeah. Okay. So here it is. Of course, it seems well built, and it's pretty tiny. Okay. So the laptop and the microscope. So this has been the unboxing part of the video. Next, I'll show you how to use it and a small walkthrough. Okay, so I moved the microscope into a darker room because remember, this is supposed to go in an incubator, but I'll just show you a small demo, right? So this is the Lux 2 program. Okay, updates. I'm not really interested. So now for the online version, because it has an online and an offline version. For the online version, it's gonna ask for your password. Let's just play with it in offline for now. So we're gonna switch to offline mode. You can see the screen right here. So this, you have the zoom. You can zoom in and zoom out. And here you have the focus. Okay. Let me just try to put a plate on the microscope. Okay, I got something. So these are mammalian cells. However, they're stained, so they're not live. But for demo purposes, so you can zoom out and zoom in, and you can focus. So let's get these cells into focus. Okay. This is kind of hard to do, holding the camera. All right. So anyway, you get the idea. So you can zoom in, zoom out. This is the field, and you can focus from this bar right here. And also you can start an offline experiment. Let's just start an experiment. I'm gonna give it a name. Let's just say test. And because it's live cell imaging, it's gonna require a snapshot interval. So what this happens is the microscope is gonna take a snapshot at an interval, at a predefined interval. So you can do from 10 seconds to 60 seconds. So once I go to 10 seconds, I can even ask it to stop like in 24 hours. Then I'm gonna start my experiment. Live view is starting. Okay, here we have the focus. So basically now it's ready. So you just leave it in an incubator. This microscope will turn off, and it will take snapshots every 10 seconds or at every interval that you pre-programmed. So right now 4 snapshots taken at 10 seconds interval. So let me show you what this guy can really do. Let's go to online mode. So remember, the laptop with the microscope are in a different room. I'm doing this recording on my laptop. So you can connect with the TeamViewer app. And you can start experiment, open experiment, and of course you can focus, and you can do all of those things that you do on your computer. So I can focus. I don't know if you can see that. I can zoom in. I can zoom out. Anything I want, right? So this my plate is supposed to be in an incubator, so it doesn't matter if it's in a different room or if it's in a different country. I can control it from basically using internet and cloud from anywhere in the world. So I don't have to go into the incubator and watch my cells, until they reach confluence, or to see the state of them, see how much they grow, or see their physiology, and so on and so on. So I can do this from any computer which has a team viewer, or a laptop or tablet or whatever. Let me show you guys another cool part, which is the Cytosmart cloud. So once you log in into Cytosmart, you have a cloud account, and every picture that the microscope takes, every experiment, every project is going to be uploaded there. So you or any other person in your lab can have access to it. So it's not just me that can watch the cells grow and watch them in real time. Everybody with an access can do it. And then, of course, you're going to have access to all of your photos and projects. And let me just show you that. So for right now, I'm just going to exit TeamViewer on the laptop, right? Okay, I'm not going to buy that. And let me just open Cytosmart Cloud. Okay, so here it is. Here's my account. And let me show you guys some experiments I did at the customers and some testings. So basically this is the cloud. This is the actual experiments that were done. Let me show you this experiment right now. So it monitors your cell coverage. It monitors the temperature in your incubator. And of course you can see in real time. Let me just show you what happens, and it also does a time lapse. So for example, this is what happened from, let me just increase the speed of the video. So from day one, from the day the cells were first placed in the incubator to the end of the experiment. So this is 1 hour time, 5 hours. You can see what happens to the cell. And of course you can download the movie and the images. So you can see them grow, right? You can also see them divide. See? These are HeLa cells. Okay, so this is what happens after 3 days. The snapshot interval was set at 1 hour, I think. Okay, so this is when the experiment stopped. And you can also monitor their confluence. See? It's kind of cool, actually. I do find this useful. And they also have at Cytosmart a fluorescent microscope with 2 channels, so you can watch live cell imaging of fluorescent cells, green and red. That will be a cool one to review. Okay, so this was a brief introduction into Cytosmart, okay, into the Lux2 microscope that I have here. It's not mine, it's just for testing purposes.